In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request access to Apple AI, including eligibility considerations and tips for providing feedback. If you're eager to explore the cutting-edge features of Apple's AI technology, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you're all set. First, you'll want to navigate to the Apple Intelligence waitlist page, which is your gateway to enjoying the advantages of Apple's sophisticated AI capabilities. This page provides a comprehensive overview, and should you require more detailed guidance, feel free to check it out. It's a friendly introduction to what awaits you as a participant. After you're familiar with the page, it's time to dive into getting on the waitlist. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and locate the option for Apple Intelligence and Siri. This section encompasses the various AI functionalities Apple offers and is key to activating these features on your device. Within the settings, you're going to see an option that allows you to join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. Simply tap this option. Joining the waitlist ensures that you're lined up for when the amazing Apple Intelligence becomes available for your iPhone model. Subsequently, you'll need to confirm your intention to join by selecting Join Waitlist. This step is crucial as it expresses your interest and readiness to make use of Apple's enhanced intelligence offerings. Once you've signed up successfully, your device will display a joined waitlist message. At this point, please keep in mind that it's a waiting game. You'll only gain access once your particular iPhone model is eligible and all prerequisites are met. Keep an eye out for Apple's notification, which will inform you when Apple Intelligence is finally ready for your iPhone. This notification is your prompt to enter a world of advanced AI features that promise to transform your user experience. Now, once you've gained access and enabled Apple Intelligence on your device, rest assured that you can control its functionality at any time. If there ever comes a moment when you decide you want to disable Apple Intelligence, simply toggle it off within the same settings. The flexibility is at your fingertips. By staying active in providing feedback, you contribute to the enhancement of Apple's AI technology, making it more robust and tailored to user needs. Remember, your input is invaluable and suggests improvements that benefit not just you, but the entire Apple community. And there you have it. You're now fully equipped to request access to Apple AI with practical insights on eligibility and feedback. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you find this new tool incredibly beneficial. Until next time, happy exploring.